Okay, today we are going to discussing about basic maths once again. So yesterday we discussed algebraic identities, modulus of x or absolute value of x, properties of modulus of x. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with examples. See, so many examples are there here. So whenever you are solving these problems, write the appropriate formulas, suitable formulas. Okay. Wavy curve method. So you can remember the formulas. Okay, no problem. You remember formula means it is applicable only for quadratic inequalities. Suppose more than two factors. Okay, x power 100 like that. At the time, best method is wavy curve method. So many examples are there. Should I given some DBP questions also? Yes, fine. So today we are discussing basics, logarithm. It's a very important chapter. Before going to discussing about this one, formula C. Before that, basics I'm writing. A power m into a power n is equal what? A power m plus n. These are called as what here? Laws of indices. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus m. 3. A power 0 is equal to 1. 4. A power m whole power n is how much? A power m. A power p by q means what? Qth root of a power p. AB whole power n is equal to a power n into b power n. Fine. Formula number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to this case, what here? A must be not equal to 0. Keep in your mind. A must be not equal to 0. And what about intervals? What do you mean open interval? Suppose open interval A comma B. What is the meaning here? X is, we suppose A less than X less than B means here both endpoints are not included. Closed interval. Both endpoints are included. Semi-open closed interval means like that we can write or like that. That means one point is included, one point is excluded, like that. Now, and one more thing, infer intervals, a comma infinity. What is the meaning? Suppose x says that x greater than a. Minus infinity to a. What is the meaning? X says that x less than minus x less than a. Minus infinity to infinity. What is the meaning here? X says that minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Actually, minus infinity comma infinity, you can write another symbol. What is that? Set of any real numbers. They are, what is the right? How to write? X belongs to R. It's very important. Now, another one. Generally, if A by B is equal to C by D, what is the meaning here? A is to B is equal to C is to D. Or A is to B is as C is to D. Okay. 1. This is called as proportion concept. Especially this concept is coming ICSE. Okay, fine. Another one. A by B is equal to C by D. Then A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. This is called as compound window method. A by B is equal to C by D. Then How to write a minus b by b is equal to c minus d by d. This is called as dividendo. Componendo means what? Just adding one on both sides. Dividendo means adding minus one on both sides. Finally, these type of formulas frequently you're using in means progression series, especially trigonometry. A plus b by a minus b. C plus d by c minus d. This method is called as componendo dividendo method. Means equation 2 by 3. We can get this result. Finally, if a by b is equal to b by c, then b square is equal to ac. So here b is called, what is the b is called what? Mean proportion of b and c. Mean proportion of a and c. Of course, b is called geometric mean of a and c. From this case, we can say that a, b, c are in GP, geometrical progressions. Is the meaning. Fine. Now we are discussing what do you mean logarithms. Generally, every positive real number, you can express as in exponential form. Every number, you can take it. Suppose 2 is there, how to write 2 power 1? 49 is there, how to write 7 square? Can express in exponential form like that only. So here n is equal to a power x. What is the n, dear students? N is nothing but what? A positive real number. Means we can write like that, positive real number. What about a? Here a is also positive real number. Positive real number means how to write like that. And here a must be, cannot be equal to 1. Conditions apply. So n is equal to a power x means here x is called logarithm of n to the base a. See, I'm writing how to write carefully. From this case, I'm writing x is equal to logarithm of n to the base a. That is, n is equal to a power x if and only if what you are observing. This is called as exponential form. This is called as logarithm form. If then that is the meaning. So every exponential form can be written as logarithm form. Every logarithm form can be expressed in exponential form. Here conditions apply. What is the n? N must be greater than 0. Here of course a is also greater than 0 but not equal to 1. Conditions apply. That is the meaning. If you don't mind, dear students, x is equal to log n to the base a. Logarithm, n means positive real number. So it means logarithm is always defined for any positive real number. So I will give small example, we can see better. 10 cube is equal to how much value? 1000. This is the exponential form. Converting into logarithm form means 3 is equal to log 1000 to the base 10. One more example. 5 square is equal to 25. Log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2 power minus 5. How much? 1 by 32. How to write this format? Example 1, 2, 3. How to write? Minus 5 is equal to logarithm of 1 by 32 to the base 2. That is the meaning.
Sir, I didn't get it.
Let's see. Every number, every positive real number, you can express as exponential form. A power x like this one. Example 49. How to write?
7 square.
7 square. 2 is equal to
2 raised to 1.
like that. See, n means any positive real number. A means positive real number, but not equal to 1. Here x is called as logarithm of n to the base n. Means this one you can write like this format. See, I'm giving one more example. 2 cube is equal to 8. This is the exponential form. Then 3 is equal to expression logarithm means what? Log 8 to the base 2. Suppose log 25 to the base 5 is equal to, how to write exponential form? 5 square is equal to 25. That means every exponential form you can express in logarithm form. Every logarithm form you can express into exponential form. These are the examples. So I will take one example. See, for example, log 100 to the base 10. How much? Why? Because 10 square is equal to 100. That is the meaning. These are the examples.
Yes.
Converting into exponential form or logarithm form, like that. Now, one more example. See, suppose find this value. I'm giving once again. Log 81 to the base 9. Find this value means how to find. Suppose how to simplify means these models. Every time take logarithm of 81 to the base 9 is equal to x. Converting to exponential form, what is your answer? 9 power x is equal to 81. 9 power x is equal to 81 means how to write?
9
9
square.
square. Base are equal, power should be equated. So this value is how much? That is the answer. One more model. Log 27 to the base 81. Find. What is your answer? Log 27 to the base 81. So in this case, again, take is equal to y. What to do here? 27 is equal to 81 for y. So here, bases are different. Okay, how to write?
Yes.
How to write this one? Both are
3 to the power.
common multiples of 3 means 3 power 3 is equal to 3 power 4y. Again, base are equal. 3 is equal to 4y. Then what is the value of y?
3.
So log 27 to the base 81 is how much? 3 by 4, that is the answer. Similarly, log 5 to the base 5. What is your answer?
By 1.
Log 5 means here number and base both are same. What is the answer?
1. 1.
So 5 power 1 is equal to 5 power x. X is equal to 1. So keep your mind note. Log a to the base is always is equal to 1. Conditions apply. A must be not equal to 1 and a should be greater than 0. Now I am giving formulas. Properties means formulas here. See carefully. Lot of practice is required for especially logarithms. Properties of logarithms. What the case? See. Log a to the base a should be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. 2. Log 1 to the base a 0. Why? Because a power 0 is how much? 1. That's the meaning. Next. Log AB. Here, if I'm not writing base, you should understand base is 10. Log AB, what is the formula? Log A plus log B. Proof is required. Okay, see, I'm giving proof for this case, especially 3. So how to write exponential model? Log A to the base 10 is equal to X, for example. Log B to the base 10 is equal to Y. Here A is how much? B is how much? Multiply them. AB is equal to 10 power X into 10 power Y. AB is equal to 10 power X plus Y. This is called as exponential form. Converting to logarithm form means what? Log AB to the base 10 is equal to X plus Y. Log AB to the base 10 is equal to, what is the X? Log A to the base 10. What is the Y? Log B to the base 10. That is the proof formula. Multiplication. 4. Logarithm of A by B to the base 10. What is the formula? Log A minus log B. Logarithm of A power M to the base B power N is equal to M by N into log A to the base B. You should read like this only. Keep your mind. Next, 6th one. A power log B to the base A. Then answer is how much? B. A cancel, B is coming. So these formulas are very, very important, but properties not yet completed. I'm continuing this one. See, I'm giving some examples based on these formulas. Log A to the base B means how to write? We can write like this also. Still, we can write log A to the base 10 by log B to the base 10, depending on the formulas. Log A to the base B into log B to the base C, log C to the base A. Like that, if I'm writing, directly answer is coming. What the result is coming? 1. How means this is the reason. Log A to the base 10 means what? Your log A by log B. Using seventh one formula into log B by log C into log C by log A. Of course, your basis 10 is there. Then what you're observing? Log A, log A, log B, log B, log C cancel. Answer is coming 1. That is the answer. Okay. Now I'm giving one more model. See, you should remember these formulas. Anything else? Let me see formulas. Okay, till now these are sufficient. Now I'm giving some questions. What are the suitable formulas? We can say examples. Okay. Log 1728 to the base 12. Question number 1. Question number 2. Log 16 to the base 4. 3. Log 81 to the base 27. So, dear student, these are the 3 questions. So, now I'm giving some suitable formulas. First of all, 1728, how to write? That is 12 whole cube to the base 12 power 1. So, this one we can write 3 by 1 into log 12 to the base 12. Log 12 means number and base both are same. This value is how much? 1. Why? Is the formula. So this answer is how much? 3. Come to this case. 16 how to write? 2 power 4 to the base 2 square. How to write? 4 by 2 into log 2 to the base 2. 4 by 2, how much? 2. Because this value is how much? 1. This value is 1, like that. That is the meaning. Question number 3. How to solve? Base, what are the common multiples here? 3. So this one you can write 3 power 4 to the base 3 cube. 4 by 3 into log 3 to the base 3. So answer is 4 by 3. So most of the questions you are using formula numbers 5, 4, 3. Most of the cases we are using. See carefully. See, same example just now discussed. Here log 27 to the base 81. But here my question is log 81 to the base 27. That's why reverse is coming 4 by 3. So I'm giving one more question. Bharti, what is your answer? Logarithm of cos 60 degrees to the base sin 30. How much?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Hmm.
One.
Yes. So this is what here 1 by 2 to the base 1 by 2. Both are equal 1. That is the meaning. Okay. One more question. Logarithm of x minus 3 to the base 2 is equal to 4. Find x. What is your answer? Okay, see. So these type of models, first of all, converting to exponential form. What would here? X minus 3 is equal to 2 power 4. 3 plus 16, x is how much? That is the answer. But this is the third example, is different model. You can expect this model. But third question, converting to exponential form not possible, first of all. Because here two terms are there. So base are equal, see? Base are equal means what is the formula? Log x to the base 10 plus log y to the base 10. What is your answer? Log xy
Log xy.
to the base 10.
Base 10.
Now here also logarithm of x minus 1 into x plus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 3. A minus b into a plus b. How much?
X square minus 1.
A square minus b square. So here we can write x square minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So converting into exponential form means x square minus 1 is equal to cube. 2 cube value is how much? 8. So I'm continuing here. Place is not sufficient. How much? X square
X is
minus
equal to plus minus.
x square is equal to 9. X is equal to what? Now, what is your answer now? Find the
3.
value of
3.
3. What about minus 3?
3. Negative value can take.
Put x is equal to minus 3. What is your answer is coming? Logarithm of minus 4. It does not exist, first of all. So answer is what? X is equal to 3 only. It's very important. Same question they can ask in final competitive exams. Find the number of values of x means you should say only 1, not 2. Because here only positive values, only 3 is there. That's fine. If minus 3 is satisfying, then we can say that 2 values are satisfying, like that. That is the meaning. Okay. Next one. Log tan 1 degree into. So how to write this one here? Just a minute. Log tan 2 degrees, log tan 3 degrees, and so on. Logarithm of tan 18 degrees. How much this value? See the question carefully. Logarithm of tan 1 degree into logarithm of tan 2 degrees, and so on up to how many terms are there here? How many? I mean,
Sir, is it 1?
why?
Log AB multiplied by log BC.
No, not like that. Okay, in this case here, tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, and so on, middle of the number is what here? Here, logarithm of tan 45. Am I correct? Here, base is not given means you should understand base is 10. Tan 45 value is how much? Tan 45, 1. Log 1 is how
1.
much? 0. So 0 and anything is always?
0.
That is the answer. Another question. Log tan 1 degrees. Log tan 2 degrees.
Sir, but then we can. Okay, yes, sir.
Tell me.
No, sir, sorry.
That is different question. This is different one. Yeah. That's why I'm giving. Maybe some people are confusing. That's why I'm giving. How to evaluate second one? How to evaluate this second one? Simple. What is that? Log x plus log y is equal to log xy. Formula. So here also logarithm of tan 1 degree into tan 2 degrees and so on tan 18 degrees. How to write? Okay. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Yeah. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. You can write like this also. From this case, tell me what is the value of tan 1? Tan 2 is how much?
Cot 88.
Like that. If I'm writing in this case, tan 1 is how much? Tan 2 means cot to 88 and so on. Tan 88, tan 89. Then what is your answer? Cot 89, tan 89 both are cancelled. Why? Because cot theta into tan theta value is how much? 1. Both are reciprocal to each other. Cos by sine into sine by cos. Similarly, each and every term is cancelled except how much is there?
Log 45.
How much coming?
Log 1, 0.
Log 1 is coming. How much coming? 0. Next model I'm giving. Find x. If x into x plus 3 to the base 2 is equal to the base 10 is equal to 1. Question number 1. 2. Tell me. 3. Log x square to the base 4 is equal to log x to the base 4. Question number 4. Different models.
Sir, the first case is the value 2.
Just a minute. Logarithm of x square minus 1 to the base 4 is equal to 1 minus 1. Okay. Tell me which one you're talking about.
First.
Okay, tell me what is the answer. So first of all, this is the logarithm form means what? What to do? Converting into exponential form. That means x square plus 3x is equal to 10 power 1. So is it possible factorizing? Yes, x plus 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 or 2. So in this case, take x is equal to minus 5. Possible? Possible no? X is equal to also
No,
possible.
sir.
Both cases possible.
X.
Both cases possible. X is equal
Sir,
to
but you said logarithms cannot be
where,
negative.
yeah, where is coming negative? See, minus 5 into minus 5 plus 3, how much? Product is coming plus now, positive finally. The logarithm of 10 to the base 10. Yes, it is coming 1. Like that. That is the meaning. That's the meaning. If I'm giving, suppose log x, at that time logarithm of minus 5, undefined. Question number 2. Okay, let us see. We'll discuss. So here, base are equal. That means logarithm is cancelled. Carefully. Then x is how much? 2x is equal to x is how much?
1.
So put x is equal to 1,
1.
satisfy or not, see? Put x is equal to 1, satisfy. Example
Sir,
4.
if only bases are equal, then the log will get cancelled.
Obviously. Example 4, how to solve? Simple. Converting into exponential form. That means x square minus 1 is equal to 4 power minus 1. 4 power minus 1 is how much? 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4. That is 5 by 4. X means how to write? Plus or minus root 5 by 2. That's the case. So put this value. In both cases, both values are satisfying. That is the answer. So how many values of x means? For question number 4, 2 values are there. What are the means? Plus or minus root 5 by 2. That is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about example 3? That is a different model.
X square is
Tell me.
equal to x.
X logarithm of x square to the base 4 is equal to log x to the base 4. So here also basis same means logarithm cancel, x square is equal to x. Here x square is with x means what?
X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1.
That means x is equal to 0, 1.
Hmm.
But x is equal to 0 means undefined. Therefore, what is the answer?
1.
So like that we should approach.
Yes, sir.
One more question. Get ready. So let's see, if log x to the base 2 plus log y to the base 4 plus log z to the base 4 is equal to, comma, log x to the base 4 or to the base 9, log y to the base 3, log z to the base 9 is equal to the base 16, to the base 16, to the base 4 is equal to, find y z by x. That is the question. How to solve? Question is very dead easy. Okay, lengthy means maybe some logic is required. Small logic is required. If you are finding, that is the easy way. How to simplify? Okay, let's see. First question, see what is the basis there here. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there, but here 2 is there. So carefully see. M by n into log x to the base y. How to write? Logarithm of x power m to the base y power n formula. Accepting this formula?
Yes.
Like that here, basis 4 means here, convert into base 4 means what would here? Multiply and divide with 2. See, I'm writing. The value doesn't change. Multiply and divide with 2 means what the answer is coming? Log x square to the base 2 square means how to write? Clear? In the place of log x to the base 2 means how to write? Log x square to the base 4. Both are
Log
same.
x square.
What I'm doing, simply multiply and divide with 2 with the help of this formula. So now see carefully. Log x square to the base 4, log y to the base 4, log z to the base 4 is equal to 2. How much is coming? Base are equal. Log a plus log b plus log c, how much? X square yz to the base 4 is equal to exponential form. Convert the exponential form is x square yz is equal to 4 square is equal to 16. This is a 1. This one is the first equation. What about second equation? Can you guess? How do you write second equation here? See,
Dividing by 3.
log x to the base 9 plus multiply and divide with 3. That means what here? Log y square to the base 9. Log z to the base 9 is equal to. So base are equal. So logarithm of x y square z to the base 9 is equal to means how much? X into y square z is how much? Y 81.
81.
Y.
Here 9 is there. There was 4.
9 square. That's why 81 is coming. Similarly, similarly what? Third equation.
Again, dividing by 4.
Yeah, good. Log z square to the base 16 is equal to 2. So logarithm of x, y, z square to the base 16 is equal to x, y, z square value is how much? Y?
16 square.
Like that. That is the answer. So what they are asking, say, so y z by zx. Can you simplify? What to do here in this case? What to do?
Divide 1 by 2 and then 2 by 3.
Okay. What the result is coming? Check it. So here place is not sufficient. I will ask you, please remember this value. Equation 1, C, equation 2, equation 3. Multiplying equation 1, 2, 3. What the result is coming? See? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What the result is coming?
Yes, sir.
81 is 3 power 4. This is 4 power 4. This is 4 square. Say careful, once again check it. 256 means 4 power 4. 60 means how to write? 2 power 4. So xyz is how much? Nothing here. X power 4 is equal to 2 power 4 means what is the value of x?
Yes, sir. Yeah. 2.
Apply.
Got it.
Yeah. 1 by 4. Now xyz is equal to this one. That is the answer.
4 into 2 by 3 is required answer.
Yeah. Now what we have? We need yz
8
by
by
x. Yz by x. What is required?
4 into 2 by 3, 8 by 3.
4 into 2. Why 4 into 2 by 3? You are talking about equations.
Y value is 4.
Who told y value 4? Why it is not y? X is equal to y, you are not taking x is equal to 4? Or see, AB is equal to 6 means, can I say A is equal to 3, B is equal to? That's wrong, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, first of all, multiplying equation 2 and 3, suppose multiplying x square, y cube is coming. That is square. So in this case, we have to eliminate x. What to do here? We have to take some help. The help of this one, yz. Multiply equation, multiply 2 and 3, then divide with 1. What the result is coming? Okay, here only. Tell me. X y square z into x y z square by how much coming?
What is
Multiplying equation 2 and 3. Multiplying equation 2 and 3. Then divide with equation 1. What the result is coming? X square cancel. Y cube by y means y square. Z square. 16 z. That means 81 means 9 square. 4 square. Yz is how much?
9 into 4.
That's all. Yz is 9 into 4 means what about x?
3 into 4 by 2 in by 3 into 4 into 2 by 9 into 4.
So simplify, that is the answer. X is equal to how much? 3 into 4 into 2
3
by
into 4 and by
so 2 by 3 is coming.
3 3s are 9, 2 by 3.
Therefore, yz by x is how much? 9 into 4 by 2 by 3.
9 into 4.
That is the answer, na see?
9 into 4.
2 2s are cancel.
Yes, sir.
That is that. So now I'm giving simple model. This is little lengthy. I'm giving one more question. Tell me this one in one. Log 1728 to the base 2 root 3. Challenging anyone. How to simplify? Logarithm of 1728 to the base 2 root 3. Logarithm of 729 to the base 9. Two, 3. Logarithm of question number 3. See, I will explain question number 1 and 3. See carefully. So these type of models means here a lot of practice is required. Perfect squares, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on up to 20 square. These values are very important. Up to 50 square is also good. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and so on up to 10 cube. Perfect squares are very important. Perfect cubes. What is the value of 1 cube? 1. 10 cube, 1000. 12 cube, 1728. 36 square, 1296. So these are very, very important. So this is, I can write this one 12 cube, 2 root 3. 2 root 3 means how to write? Root of 12. What is the formula? 3 by 1 by 2 into log 12 to the base 12. 2 root 3 means what? Root 12. So your base number and base both are same. This value is 1. 3 by 1 by 2 means how much? 3 into 2.
1.
So answer is coming 6.
6.
It's very important model. Example 3. What is the case? Same thing. Logarithm of log 16. 16 is how to write? 2 power 4.
2 power 4.
Like that. See? 4 by 1 means 4. This is remaining is how much? Yeah. 4 by 1 into log 2 to the base 2. So answer is coming 4. Again, log 2.
Sir, how log? Yeah, sorry.
16 means you can write now.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, no problem. So log 4 means again how to write? Log 2 square to the base 2 power 1. So how much is coming? 2 into 1. Log 2 to the base 2 is how much? 1. So finally answer is coming 1. That's what I'm saying. Practice is required. So
Sir,
in
you
case,
have taken the 4 as the superscript in the second case.
yes. That means you
So
can
it
write.
will become log 4 with base 2.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, yes.
Like that. Log 4 to the base 2.
Yes, sir. Got it.
And one more thing. Generally, 2 power 4 is how much?
16.
2 power 10? 2 power 12? 4096. Okay. So in this case, how many digits are there in this number?
4.
In this case?
4.
4.
Two.
So today concept is, suppose if I'm asking 3 for 100, what this number means? Not possible. Correct? Means possible, but it will take time. So in this number, how many digits are there? So without
In which
expanding,
number?
yeah, 3 for 100. Number of digits in 3 for 100. So without expanding, we can say answer. So the concept is what here? Number of digits. So first of all, write on log 2 to the base 10. This value is how much? 0.3010. Logarithm table. Based on the logarithm tables, I'm writing. Log 3 to the base 10. You should remember these values. So these are coming in especially chemistry, actually solving problems. What are the
These
atomic,
3.
atomic weight, molecular formula is there, no? What is the atomic number, Avogadro numbers? So with the help of this one, we are multiplying those numbers. Okay. Question is what here? Find number of digits in question number 1. 2 power 10. We can verify whether it's correct or wrong. How many are there? 4. Okay, we can see 3 power 100, 5 power 100, 6 power 50, like that. That is 6 power 100, like that. Easy. Let us see. Listen carefully. Choose any one number. Suppose first one, we can verify directly. Every time 2 power 10 is equal to x. Apply logarithm on both sides. How much coming
Log 2. Yeah.
What is the meaning here? Your base is what here? Should understand base is 10 I'm taking. Apply logarithm on both sides with respect with base 10. How much coming here? 10 into log 2 to the base 10. Is it correct? Okay. 10 into. What is the value of log 2 to the base 10?
0.3010.
Multiply with 10 on both sides. What is the result?
3.010.
So this is the logarithm. Finally, whenever you're getting these type of models, just add 1 every time. 3.010. This is called as characteristic value. This is called as Mantissa. Briefly discussed later. 3. This is called as characteristic value.
Characters.
This value is called as Mantissa. Just add 1 to characteristic value. 3 plus 1. Then this 4 represents number of digits in 2 power 10.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That is the meaning. We can verify question number 3. So same thing, you can take 2 power 12 also. Same thing, you can get answer 4. Another question is number of digits in 5 power 100. What is the procedure? Tell me. Let's
5 power 100 is equal to x.
y. Okay, no problem. Anything.
Yeah.
Both set to the base 10. Directly you can write 100 log 5 to the base 10 is equal to log y to the base 10. 100 into. What is this value?
0.6990.
Yeah, you should remember those values. Multiply with 100.
699. 69.9.
Yeah, number of digits in 5 power 10 is how much?
5 power 100. 70.
5 power 100. How much? 69
70.
plus 1. 70 digits are there in this number. Like that one. So try to complete remaining questions. How many digits are there in 5? 3 power 100, 6 power 100. So tomorrow we discuss what is the concept? Differentiation and integrations. Okay,
Yes.
one more class is there for basic mathematics. After the regular classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have a nice day, dear students. See you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.